Welcome back to Learn German, A2 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 38. Let's go!
12 brand new A2 words today. Order, to organize, place, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Ordnung. Ordnung.
Is that order? I've seen Ordnung, chaos, Unordnung before. How are they different?
Order. Die Ordnung, feminine. Plural, Ordnungen. Also, tidiness. In Ordnung, fine, okay.
Das ist alles in Ordnung.
Everything is fine, all right. There is always order, tidiness in her room. Things are neatly organized.
Brachte seine Unterlagen in Ordnung.
He put his documents in order. Key distinction. Order, tidiness, chaos, mess. Also the key phrase, in Ordnung. Okay, fine, all right.
Die Ordnung. Order. Plural, Ordnungen. Different from Ordnung, chaos, Unordnung.
Ordnung, die, is feminine. Word 2.
Organisieren.
To organize or to arrange?
To organize. Organisieren is a weak verb derived from the French Latin.
Wer hat das Treffen organisiert?
Who organized the meeting? Planning and coordinating a birthday party.
Die Studenten organisierten eine Demo.
The students organized a demonstration.
Got it. Organisieren. To organize or to arrange.
It belongs to the group of ehren verbs, all weak, perfect without ge. Hat organisiert, not hat georganisiert. The ge prefix is dropped. Word 3.
Ort. Ort.
Is that place? I've seen Ort, Platz, Stelle, Gemeinde before. How are they different?
Place. Der Ort, masculine. Plural, Orte. Also, location, town.
Welcher Ort gefällt dir am besten?
Which place do you like the most? A small town or village? Or as a settlement?
Sie hat einen ruhigen Ort zum Arbeiten gefunden.
She found a quiet place to work. Key distinction. Place, location, town can mean a specific spot, a town, village, or an abstract location.
Der Ort. Place. Plural, Orte. Different from Ort, present Platz, Stelle, Gemeinde.
Ort, der, Orte, is masculine. Word 4.
Paar. Paar.
Is that pair? I've seen Paar epochs zwei zusammengehörende Dinge, Personen, before. How are they different?
Pair, das Paar, neuter. Plural, Paare, also couple.
Sie sind seit 2 Jahren ein Paar.
They have been a couple for 2 years. A romantic couple or dance partners, 2 people together.
Kaufte ein Paar Socken.
He bought a pair of socks. Key distinction. Pair, couple. Always exactly 2 that belong together. Contrast with ein Paar equals a few.
Das Paar. Pair. Plural, Paare. Different from Paar. Überbedweit zwei zusammengehörende Dinge, Personen.
Paar, das Paare, equals pair/couple. Always exactly 2. Word 5.
Ein Paar. Ein Paar.
Is that a few? I've seen ein Paar, einige, wenige before. How are they different?
A few. Ein Paar. Also, some.
Warte ein paar Sekunden.
Wait a few seconds. Just a few more minutes. A small, unspecified number.
Sie hat ein paar Fehler gemacht.
She made a few mistakes. Key distinction. A few, some. An indefinite small number. Always written lowercase. Never an article change.
Ein Paar, a few. Different from ein Paar, einige, wenige.
Ein Paar. Lowercase. A few. Some. Indefinite quantity. Word 6.
Packen.
To pack? Close to packen. Einpacken, zusammenpacken.
To pack. Packen. To pack, a bag, suitcase, or to grab, seize.
Hast du schon deine Schultasche gepackt?
Have you already packed your school bag? Packing a suitcase before a trip, the most common everyday use.
Sie packte ihre Sachen und ging.
She packed her things and left.
Got it. Packen, to pack. Different shade from packen. Einpacken, zusammenpacken.
Related verbs. Einpacken, to wrap up, pack in. Auspacken, to unpack. Verpacken, to package. Word 7.
Paket. Paket.
Is that parcel? I've seen Paket, Päckchen, Sendung before. How are they different?
Parcel. Das Paket, neuter. Plural, Pakete. Also, package.
Ich erwarte ein Paket von Amazon.
I am expecting a parcel from Amazon. A parcel arriving. Postal delivery context.
Sie hat das Paket an der Haustür abgeholt.
She collected the parcel at the front door. Key distinction: parcel, package. A wrapped item sent by post. Also a bundle, package deal.
Das Paket, parcel. Plural, Pakete. Different from Paket, Päckchen, Sendung.
Paket, das Pakete, is neuter. Word 8.
Papier. Papier.
Is that paper, documents? I've seen Papier, Schreibmaterial, Dokumente before. How are they different?
Paper, Papiere, documents. Das Papier, neuter. Plural, Papiere.
Schreib es auf Papier, nicht nur ins Handy.
Write it on paper, not just in your phone. A sheet of paper. Asking for writing material.
Sie hat ihre Papiere verloren.
She lost her documents, papers. Key distinction: paper as material, uncountable. Papiere equals documents, ID papers, countable plural.
Das Papier, paper. Papiere, documents. Plural, Papiere. Different from Papier, Schreibmaterial, Dokumente.
Papier, das, is neuter. Word 9.
Park. Park.
Is that park? I've seen Park, Ypres Grünanlage, Stadtpark before. How are they different?
Park. Der Park. Masculine. Plural, parks.
Der Park ist im Frühling besonders schön.
The park is especially beautiful in spring. Going for a walk in the park. A common leisure activity.
Wir haben auf der Wiese im Park gegrillt.
We had a barbecue on the lawn in the park. Key distinction: park, a public green space, also used in compound words like Parkplatz equals car park, parking space.
Der Park, park. Plural, parks. Different from park, eben Grünanlage, Stadtpark.
Park, der Parks, is masculine. Word 10.
Parken.
To park? Close to parken. Ist Black das Auto abstellen?
To park. Parken is a weak verb, regular.
Hat das Auto direkt vor dem Eingang geparkt.
He parked the car right in front of the entrance. Asking where it is permitted to park, a common everyday question.
In der Innenstadt ist es schwer zu parken.
It is hard to park in the city center.
Got it. Parken, to park. Different shade from parken. Das Auto abstellen.
Related nouns: der Parkplatz, parking space. Das Parkhaus, multi-story car park. Das Parkverbot, parking ban. Die Parkuhr, parking meter. Word 11.
Partner, Partnerin. Partner, Partnerin.
Is that partner? I've seen Partner Epoch mit Lebenspartner, Geschäftspartner before. How are they different?
Partner. Der, die Partner. Neuter. Plural. Partner, Partnerinnen.
Sie hat ihren Partner beim Sport kennengelernt.
She met her partner through sport. Romantic or life partner. gender-neutral way to refer to a significant other.
Sucht ihr noch einen Tanzpartner?
Are you still looking for a dance partner? Key distinction: partner, romantic partner, business partner, or activity partner. Feminine form: Partnerin.
Die Partner. Partner. Plural, Partner, Partnerinnen. Different from partner, explique Lebenspartner und Geschäftspartner.
Partner, der, Partner is masculine. Partnerin, die, Partnerinnen is the feminine form. Word 12.
Party. Party.
Is that party? I've seen party, Feier, Fest before. How are they different?
Party. Die Party, feminine. Plural, parties.
Die Party hat bis 3 Uhr nachts gedauert.
The party lasted until 3 in the morning. Throwing a party on Saturday. Informal social gathering.
Zum Geburtstag gibt es immer eine große Party.
There is always a big party for the birthday. Key distinction: party, a social celebration, more informal, youthful than die Feier or das Fest.
Die Party. Party. Plural, parties. Different from party. Feier, Fest.
Party, die parties, is feminine, an English loanword that has been fully integrated into German. And that is all 12 words for episode 38.
Ordnung, organisieren. Ort, Paar, ein Paar, packen, Paket, Papier, parken, Partner, Partnerin, Party.
9 nouns and 3 verbs. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Ordnung.
Ordnung is feminine. And second,
Party.
the plural of party, parties.
Locked in. See you in episode 39.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören.